the sound of your heart beating.
Hi, what's up? I'm here again. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to another Vasquez performance. But surprisingly, he's not alone. He's featuring with a woman. I'm not sure who is she, what she's capable of, where is she from, what her voice sounds like. I have no idea what are those details about her. So she goes by the name of Aliyah Khaylyn. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing her last name incorrectly, but Khaylyn. Okay? And they'll be performing The Power of Love, a big song by Celine Dion. Right? And for the people who really want me to vote for Vasquez, guys, I'm sorry. But in my country, Jamaica, they have to download for the voting. It's not available in my region. So my sincere apologies to you all. I do hope you understand. And if I can't vote, then I'll show my support by reacting to him, showing the way how I should react when I saw him personally or when I hear his music differently. Okay? So let's venture together, guys. Let's see what's up with these two. Peace. Okay, guys, note briefly. As soon as the performance done by these two, then the video will cut right there. Okay? I just want to hear what they have to say in this video. Now, let's go.
The whispers in the morning.
Okay, so this is her original voice. Sounds fine.
Sleeping tight are rolling by like thunder now.
Her voice is very sweet. Tasty voice. Her voice brings the soul out. You can feel her performance, right? So, very good so far.
As I look in your eyes.
Very good though. Very good. She's going great. I gotta say, thumbs up. She's going great.
I hold on to your body and feel each move you make.
Oh, damn, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, gosh. Ah! Yo, this man is so special. Like, every time he sings, he created an historical moment. No cap, bro. No cap.
Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady.
Oh! Bah, 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 bah. Ah! Hey, hey, I do love this guy. Oh my God! Hey! Oh! Yo! Yo, this is terrific. This is way too terrific. I love them. I love them both.
And you are my man.
Bro is singing without even trying. Without even breaking a sweat. He's dominating. Hey, he's gonna leave an impact in this place, bro. His dominance is gonna be so loud that not even when a bomb drops, it's not that impactful as how this man's voice is impactful. He's creating a historical moment there, bro. Trust me.
Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can.
Oh, I, hey, perfect duet, perfectionate. Oh, yo, these two are making some great ship sailing moves, bro. Yo, this is magnificent by these two. Way too magnificent by these two. I mean, like, we all know music, it's essential. We know music when we know music. And to have music around with such beautiful life in it, then I can tell that these artists are doing the music from deep within. So whenever time it's coming deep within up, then you can feel what they are going through while singing. And this is the reason why music hits, because what the artist displays, that's what the person also displayed as well in the mind or in the image way. Yeah, so the music hits, bro. Right? And this is a very hitting moment by these two. Gosh, yo, this is exquisite. Bah, 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 bah. And he's unstoppable. They are unstoppable. No, I would love to see who's that brave or brave enough to stop this person from being successful in music. I would love to see that person, because they are destined to be great based on the way that they are going through now. Bro, they are destined to be great. The power of these two voices, bro, it's a powerhouse, right? It's supplying with so much electricity that it enlightens the entire arena of people, of judges that is around them. Even me, who is just a regular new person to these guys, are feeling shocked, exponentially shocked. Woo! That was magnificent, guys. And, you know, it's also loving as well. It's also loving. The way how they hold each other's hands, I can tell that it's so much love you're displaying, bro. Best believe, bro. Very good. Very good. I gotta say, well done. A job well done by these two. And if you guys enjoyed my reaction, please remember to leave a like, subscribe for more, turn that bell icon on for more reactions by Mr. Vasquez, and look out for finals reaction. I think this is the last video for him for now until the finals, or stay tuned. Probably I'll make a pop-up video so you guys can also watch while the final comes in, but I'm here to support him, bro. So I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace.